researched on what state you had, and now we're going to put this into an activity. So we are going to break up into each state. So New Hampshire, group 5, I want Vermont, and then Maine I want on the back table.
Pilgrims seek religious freedom, founded Plymouth Colony.